Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of portable projectors with a model that shakes up the standards, the Xgimi MoGo 3 Pro. A pioneering brand in the field, Xgimi has managed to carve out a prime spot in the portable projector market with its products that combine image quality, design, and innovative features. The MoGo 3 Pro takes this winning formula and adds some attractive features like the integration of Google TV and a Harman Kardon audio system. Designed to deliver a personal cinema experience wherever you are, this portable projector stands out with its ability to display full HD quality images, automatic image correction, and compatibility with an external battery. If you're a movie lover or on-the-go gamer looking for a practical solution to take your entertainment anywhere, the MoGo 3 Pro could very well become your new ally. To learn more, the link is right below in the description. Let's move on to the design, and here, the MoGo 3 Pro makes no compromises. This model adopts a compact cylindrical shape, reminiscent of high-end portable speakers, giving it a modern and versatile look. The projector stands about 20 centimeters tall, with a diameter of 9.5 centimeters, and its weight of just 1.1 kilograms makes it super portable. Perfect for those who want a lightweight device. It's also well designed for durability, with a sleek finish that resists fingerprints and scratches, making it ideal for travel. Its innovative design also allows for projection that can be oriented up to 130 degrees on a vertical axis, which offers unprecedented flexibility. Imagine projecting your favorite movies for a unique experience. Xgimi has included the strap for easy transport. The connection ports are at the back, protected by a cover. Xgimi has also included a strap for easy transport, which really highlights the portable spirit of the MoGo 3 Pro. The connection ports are discreetly located at the back, protected by a rubber cover to keep out dust. Despite its compact size, it's well equipped with an HDMI port, a USB-C port, and a USB-A port in addition to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The practical and stylish design of the MoGo 3 Pro places it among the best models. The Xgimi MoGo 3 Pro isn't just a pretty box, it also has impressive performance. Let's start with the image. It offers a full HD resolution of 1080p with a brightness of 450 lumens, perfect for getting sharp and vibrant images in low-light environments. MoGo 3 Pro DLP LED for colors, 90% DCI-P3, HDR10, ISA 2.0 adjusts images. The coverage of 90% of the DCI-P3 color space ensures accurate rendering with HDR10 compatibility that enhances contrasts for even more immersive scenes. The MoGo 3 Pro, with ISA 2.0 technology, automatically adjusts images using sensors, whether on a flat wall, angled surface, or ceiling. Focus and keystone correction are automatic. Its 1.2:1 projection ratio offers flexible image sizes from 40 to 200 inches. While it lacks optical zoom, digital zoom allows easy image size adjustment, from 40 inches for small spaces all the way up to 200 inches. For a true cinema effect, this model doesn't have optical zoom, but a digital zoom makes it easy to adjust the image size from a distance. On the audio side, Xgimi doesn't skimp on quality with its integrated 2x5W Harman Kardon speakers. This audio system supports Dolby Audio, Dolby Digital, and Dolby Digital Plus, ensuring clear and immersive sound. Not only is the MoGo 3 Pro a projector, but it can also be used as a standalone Bluetooth speaker, which is a smart addition for enjoying music without having to start a projection. Its compatibility with HDMI ARC also lets you connect an external audio system for an even more enhanced sound experience. When it comes to connectivity, the MoGo 3 Pro is compatible with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1, whether you're streaming directly via Google TV, connecting a gaming console, or casting content from a smartphone using Google Cast. The possibilities are numerous and cater to all multimedia needs. In use, the MoGo 3 Pro proves to be both powerful and versatile. USB-C powered, it uses an external battery, ideal for outdoor trips or gatherings. Its portability makes it practical. The projection size fits various spaces. Whether it's in a living room, a bedroom, or even while camping, its portability and ability to adapt to different surfaces make it practical for any type of environment. The projection size of 40 to 200 inches suits both small and large spaces, with a 1.2:1 ratio for easy image size adjustment. Its projection mode, adjustable up to 130 degrees, offers flexibility, allowing projection on walls or ceilings for a relaxing experience. It can project onto a flat wall or even the ceiling for a relaxing visual experience. Perfect for those who want to watch a movie while lying down. Plus, with the built-in game mode, the MoGo 3 Pro offers a reduced latency of 27 milliseconds, which is perfect for full HD video games, providing good responsiveness for casual gamers. Now let's talk about the competition, because this Xgimi MoGo 3 Pro isn't the only portable projector in its category. Its closest competitors include the Samsung Freestyle, Nebula Capsule 3, and the Mars 3 Air Dunker. MoGo 3 Pro offers full HD at an affordable price. Competitors like Capsule 3 and Mars 3 have built-in batteries, but MoGo 3 Pro supports external ones. MoGo 3 Pro uses external batteries, offering flexibility. It stands out with full HD resolution, native Google connectivity, and quality audio. The Samsung Freestyle, often recognized for its design, is nevertheless much more expensive and less accessible, while the Capsule 3 and the Mars 3 are less bright. In short, the MoGo 3 Pro stands out in this price range by offering full HD resolution, native Google connectivity, and a quality built-in audio system. It's something you rarely find combined with style. In conclusion, this Xgimi MoGo 3 Pro is a real gem for anyone looking for a portable projector for a complete multimedia experience. Its compact and elegant design, combined with good full HD image quality and intuitive Google TV connectivity, make it a top choice. If you want to watch a movie, play games, or listen to music, the MoGo 3 Pro adapts to your desires. The automatic image correction and its ability to be powered by an external battery make it super convenient, while its speakers ensure immersive sound even without an external system. If you're looking for a flexible and high-performing solution at an affordable price, the MoGo 3 Pro is a choice you won't regret. If you want to know more, the link is available in the description. Every click and purchase through this link directly supports the channel, and I thank you for that. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like it and, of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Hi.